چی میخورد؟ What is he eating? What is he eating? او چیپس میخورد. He is eating chips. He is eating chips. او چی می نوشد؟ What is he drinking? What is he drinking? او چای می نوشد. He is drinking tea. He is drinking tea. من گم شده ام. I'm lost. I'm lost. شفاخانه کجاست؟ Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? آنجا است. It is over there. It is over there. امروز چند شنبه است. What day is it today? What day is it today? امروز دوشنبه است. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. هوا امروز چطور است؟ How is the weather today? How is the weather today? آفتابی است. It's sunny. It's sunny. باران میبارد. It's raining. It's raining. چند برادر و خواهر دارید؟ How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? من 2 برادر و 3 خواهر دارم. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. دیروز کجا بودید؟ Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? دیروز بازار رفته بودم. I went to the market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. مدت زیادی است که ندیدمت. Long time no see. Long time no see. من بیرون از شهر رفته بودم. I had gone out of the city. I had gone out of the city. شما چه کار میکنید؟ What are you doing? What are you doing? من مطالعه میکنم. I am studying. I am studying. شما کجا می روید؟ Where are you going? Where are you going? ما به شهر می رویم. We are going to the city. We are going to the city. فردا می بینمت. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. مراقب خودت باش. Take care. Take care. تشکر از این که تماشا کردید.